Designed for drivers with limited movement in the legs and feet, our mechanical hand controls transfer the action of accelerating and braking from the foot to the hand. The controls are fitted for your right hand behind the steering wheel. Simply pull back to accelerate and push down to brake. You can add indicator control with either a toggle or a rotary switch. You can also add buttons to control the vehicle's dip, main beam and horn. The mechanism does not interfere with access to the pedals if a driver wishes to use the adapted car with their feet. The controls can be paired with a flip-up accelerator or a pedal guard if accidental activation is a concern. Mechanical hand controls are best paired with a steering aid, such as a quick detached steering ball or even a remote control to give you another option for easy access to various vehicle functions, such as indicators, wipers and lights. For more information about mechanical hand controls, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.